Follow me because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Drink 1 glass daily empty stomach for joint pain. Don't ignore Grandma's old recipe. Joint pain is a nightmare, creeping in silently and making simple daily tasks feel like climbing a mountain. Whether it's your knees cracking like old wooden floors, your fingers stiff like frozen branches, or your back screaming for relief, the struggle is real. But what if the secret to soothing this agony has been sitting in your kitchen all along? A simple, natural remedy, passed down from generations, can work wonders, and science backs it up. Let's break it down and see how this golden drink can transform your joint health. Your joints are like the hinges of a door. They need lubrication to function smoothly. When inflammation takes over, it's like rust setting in, making every movement painful. Many rely on painkillers, but they come with side effects, from stomach ulcers to kidney damage. What if you could fight joint pain naturally with an age-old recipe that not only relieves pain, but also nourishes your body? The magic ingredient? Turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for adding flavor to your curry. It's a powerhouse of curcumin, a compound proven to reduce inflammation and improve joint flexibility. Studies show that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the nasty side effects. But turmeric alone isn't enough. To unlock its full potential, mix it with warm water, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of honey. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Honey adds a touch of sweetness and brings its own anti-inflammatory benefits. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach supercharges your body, reducing stiffness and improving mobility over time. If turmeric isn't your thing, let's talk about another secret ingredient, ginger. This root isn't just for settling your stomach. It's packed with gingerol, a compound that fights inflammation as effectively as ibuprofen. Research from the University of Miami found that ginger reduced knee pain in osteoarthritis patients by 40%. Blend ginger with lemon and warm water for a refreshing, pain-relieving drink. Hydration is another crucial factor. Your cartilage is made up of 80% water, and dehydration accelerates joint deterioration. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water replenishes fluids, flushes toxins, and keeps your joints happy. And here's something surprising: apple cider vinegar. You might associate it with weight loss, but its acetic acid content helps dissolve harmful toxins that contribute to joint pain. A tablespoon in warm water before breakfast can improve joint flexibility and reduce discomfort over time. Science isn't the only proof of these remedies' effectiveness. Grandma's wisdom has stood the test of time for a reason. Generations before us didn't have access to high-tech medicine, yet they managed to stay active well into old age. The secret? Natural, whole ingredients that work in harmony with the body. Let's take a moment to talk about diet. What you eat directly affects your joints. Too much processed food? Expect inflammation. Sugar overload? Welcome stiffness. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts can work wonders for joint health. Vitamin C from oranges, bell peppers, and strawberries helps build collagen, the cushion protecting your joints. And let's not forget exercise. Movement might seem counterintuitive when your joints hurt, but staying active keeps them lubricated and strong. Low-impact activities like swimming, yoga, and cycling are perfect for maintaining mobility without straining the joints. So, what happens if you start drinking this magical glass every morning? Within a few weeks, you'll notice improved flexibility, reduced stiffness, and a significant drop in pain levels. It's not an overnight miracle, but with consistency, the results will speak for themselves. Now, let me ask you, why spend money on expensive treatments when nature has already provided the solution? If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this with someone who needs it. Also, check out my other videos for more natural health tips that can change your life. See you in the next one.